Today is Wednesday, Parashat Vayikra. This coming Shabbat is also called Shabbat Zachor. It's the Shabbat before Purim. This is when we remember what Amalek did to us when we came out from Egypt. And we have the mitzvah to eradicate the evil of Amalek. The day of Purim will be on Sunday, so we'll say a couple of words from Megillat Esther. One idea from the Megillah is when Haman wanted to carry out his plan to Chaz v'Shalom, exterminate Chaz v'Shalom, the Jewish people. He came to Achashverosh and told them that he had this plan to do, and according to Hachamim, Achashverosh says that you cannot touch the Jewish nation. It's too risky, no matter what you're going to do. So apparently, Haman told him, Am mefuzar umforad. It's a nation that is now scattered and divided. There is no unity amongst them. There's division amongst them, and from that division, it's a point of vulnerability, and therefore we can go after them. What Esther told Mordechai, go and gather all the Jewish people and bring them together and unite them, and from that unity that will be among them, it's a zechut, it's a merit that protected us. And this is a lesson not just for a historic event that happened centuries ago, but any day and age, the more we can have achdut amongst us, the more we can have unity and togetherness, the more we have the merit to be protected from the threats of any enemy. And if there is division amongst us, heaven forbid, then it turns into a time of risk. And that's why, as much as possible, always, we have to think to bring us together and have unity amongst us. And this is one of the reasons also why the mitzvot of Purim involve also this idea of coming together. You have matanot la'evyonim, to give gifts to the poor, to make sure that they have a seudah, and that brings also connection between people, the person who's helping, the person who's on the receiving end, come together to create a mitzvah of having Seudat Purim. Mishloach manot ish lere'ehu, to send gifts to one another, portions of food. That is also a concept that brings people together and connects between people. So the more we're connected, the more we're united, the more we have achdut amongst us, the more we can be protected from any threat. That's what helped us in the period of Mordechai and Esther, and that's what can stand to protect us in any day and age. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.